following K1 woman, and I'm from Poland. Here is hard. Before the runs, it's stressful. I really want to do moves and works good today. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, every day I think I improve my skills here, and I hope second event and final will be bigger score than today and yesterday.
Moving a kite round really well, looking for them at Narcy, she's really retentive. Looking for them at Narcy the other way, that was really nice, she's still in the feature.
I just got finished up my prelims. I'm pretty fired up to be on top right now, considering that the feature is one of the hardest features to compete in ever. But it makes it really challenging and it's a lot of fun. Just happy to put it together and go to semis. Like, the feature is still very fun, but it's just very hard to put a lot of tricks together in one or two rides, considering that it's very hard to stay in, and 45 seconds is not a lot of time. So that's the big thing about the feature, but you can still get a lot of air, which is a lot of fun. I've got the new Rockstar 4.0, and it's got a lot more volume than our last boat. So having that extra volume, I'm feeling a lot more attentive, I'm getting a lot more air, and it's definitely really nice for this feature.
Very